Hello, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English.
Hey.
This is Alexia.
Hey guys.
She was in my last episode, and I wanted to give you a tour of what a new apartment complex looks like. But first, please click like, subscribe, and comment and share with all of your friends.
No key.
Oh,
Buzz. Mm-hmm. And then we enter.
so it's like a hotel.
Willie.
Oh, beautiful space.
Welcome
Willie,
to my home.
are you a shoes off apartment?
You can if you would like, but you don't have to.
Okay, I will. My feet hurt. I'm wearing heels.
Look.
We thought Willie would bark,
Yay.
but he didn't. He probably remembered me.
Oh my god.
Isn't this a beautiful apartment? Willie! Hi, Willie. We have the living room. The living room is where you hang out. Maybe you watch a little TV. There's a cozy chair. This material is called boucle. Boucle is a French word that means loop. We have some succulents in the vase and a candle with some books on this, what do you call the tables on the side of the couch?
An end table?
Very good. And we have a semicircular boucle material couch. This must be Willie's blanket.
Yes, it is.
Hey, Willie.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see any pit bull in you.
I know.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I can't stand it. We have a large TV. What do you call this table situation here?
A console?
Very good. Are these Willie's toys?
Yes, they sure are.
Oh, nice. You have a little patio, so if he wanted to use that patch of grass, he can do that. That's nice, right?
Yes, he could.
Willie, do you need to use the restroom? We have a skateboarder down there. I'll try not to be a creep. This is a large complex. This is just one side, and there are carports. These are called carports, right?
Yes, anything that's covered like that is a carport.
Great explanation. Have a little garden there. And, okay. Oh, nice yawning.
Oh, sleepy baby. My baby.
We have some hardwood floors. Let's go to the kitchen. I love the design of your apartment. I also love that you're walking around in heels in your house.
I actually should take them off.
I've made myself comfortable by taking the shoes off. How would you describe the design of your apartment?
I would say it's an open concept, which means it's not divided by a wall. The kitchen and the living room are sort of one big space.
Mm-hmm. That's a good observation there. This counter space in the middle of the kitchen, what would you call this?
This is called a kitchen island.
Ding, ding, ding. I'm glad we're on the same page. How often do you use a dishwasher?
Several times a day.
Are you serious? Several times.
Sometimes twice a day. Yes, depending on how many dishes or how many times a day I cook.
Wow. Is this a baby water bottle?
Yes,
Okay.
it is. It goes like this. And the baby puts water in it. It's leak proof and sucks through the straw.
What baby?
My nephew.
Oh, okay. That's a lovely knife set you have. Do you cook a lot?
I cook often, yes.
What do you like to cook?
What do I like to cook? Anything that has a little bit of spice. I like chicken, I like plant-based, I like salads, anything fresh, healthy, and good for you.
What is plant-based?
Plant-based means it is not an actual meat from an animal, like a cow or a chicken or a goat or anything like that. Plant-based is a meat-like patty, essentially, that is made from plants, such as jackfruit.
I love jackfruit.
Me too.
I like how you decorated your kitchen. What do you call this?
This is called a spoon rest.
Good to know. And how often do you use this device, and what is it called?
This is called a microwave. And how often do I personally use it? Maybe once a week, if that.
What's this pink thing here?
This is called an air fryer. There's something that goes in here. It's called a basket, but that is currently in the dirty dishes right now. So this gets hot, and there's hot air that comes in, and it cooks the food.
I just had a realization. Alexia used to be a teacher in a cosmetology school. So she's actually excellent for my channel because she's so good at explaining things. What else in this kitchen do you think would spark my subscribers' interest?
What about Alexa? An Alexa device?
Oh, let's describe that.
This is called an Alexa device. And what you do is say its name, which is Alexa. Alexa, tell me the weather for today.
Good afternoon, Alexia. Currently, in Scottsdale, it's 108 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can expect lots of sun, with a high of 111 degrees and a low of 88 degrees. Also, there's an air quality alert in effect until Tuesday, September 2nd, 9 p.m.
That was thorough. What does an air quality alert mean?
I believe air quality alert means the amount of pollution in the air. Arizona has not so good air quality.
Oh, good to know. I think your avocados are too ripe over here.
I think you're right.
We got some supplements. It's pretty nice in here. We'll just do a quickie little tour in the bedroom. I like your headrest, or no, headboard.
Yes. Head frame? Bed frame?
Oh, bed frame. Is this your bed?
This is Willie's bed too. Yeah.
You like tummy. This is a large bathroom, actually. Really nice. Beautiful. Lots of hair products here. Got a curling iron. Cool. You have a lot of clothes.
Too many.
And a nice stand-up shower. Thank you so much, Alexia, for allowing us to tour your beautiful apartment. You know, as a teacher, I have a question for you for my subscribers. If my subscribers are having difficulties with learning English, is there a general suggestion or advice you could give them?
I would say definitely ask your instructor or your teacher on ways that you can easily identify keywords or especially contractions with the English language. Contractions are very hard, and that what makes this language very hard to learn is contractions. So definitely help with that.
Can you give me an example of a contraction?
An example of a contraction is instead of saying cannot, you would say can't, or am not is sometimes slang for ain't.
Yeah.
or they are is there. Those are really difficult. So I would definitely say ask your instructor or your teacher for help in identifying those type of words.
Do you speak Polish?
No.
Okay. Alexia's ethnicity is Polish, I believe, fully, right?
Yes.
Okay. But she's American. Well, thank you again for having me. Thank you, Willie. I should be thanking you, actually.
Thank you, Willie.
And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.